Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Dropbox to PandaDoc, right? Now, if you just want to upload files from Dropbox or even videos and images, you can just go ahead and open up a document, for example, right here. And once it loads, go ahead and go to the Add Content section, click on it. Now select image or video, okay? Drag and drop, click to upload. Now go ahead and connect your Dropbox account. Click on it, wait for the connect button to pop up, click on connect, hit on allow, and here you have your Dropbox account connected. Now, there's a way to integrate these two, like in automatic mode, okay? Just go ahead over to Zapier.com, and don't worry, Zapier right here is working with PandaDoc, okay? We go ahead over to integrations right here, then I'm gonna scroll all the way down. And as you can see here, Zapier is available, okay? So in here, just go ahead and create your Zapier account. Now click on create. Click on Zaps. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and select your trigger event. Just click on trigger. Now, for example, Dropbox is our trigger. I'm going to go ahead and select Dropbox. And just go ahead and sign in with your Dropbox account. As you can see here, I'm already signed in because I've been using this lately, okay? Select a trigger event, for example, there's a new or updated file, click on it, hit on continue, select the space, okay? Then select the folder, choose static, for example here, connect me, okay? File, select the file if you want to. Now hit on continue to test the step. And once you got a check mark, it's good to go, okay? Now, all you have to do next is just click on action and select PandaDoc. Right here, just click on it. Now sign in with your PandaDoc account. And after that, select an action event, okay? So for example, there are a new file or updated file here in Dropbox. Zapier right here will automatically maybe create a document or create or update contact, okay? For example, I'm just gonna select this one, okay? Continue. Sample email right here. This is just for testing, okay? But all of these fields are being used in your PandaDoc account, okay? So email, for example, sample email at email.com. Once that's done, go ahead and add the first name, for example, drop, and last name box. Company, go ahead and add it if you want to. Phone number 0. Continue. At least you get the point now, okay? Test the step. Now go ahead and hit on publish right here at the bottom right or at the top right, okay? Once you hit on publish, it will go online, okay? When there's a new file upload right here or new updated file from Dropbox, Zapier right here will just automatically create or update your contact or your contact list here in PandaDoc, okay? That's basically it. You can now go ahead and close this one. Close. Now when you go ahead over to your contacts right here, as you can see, we have Dropbox created, okay? And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.